Here is a Nissan Qashqai. Now this child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not the front doors. Let's get started with opening the left side door, and that's the switch. All you have to do is just push it inwards to activate it, and that's it. Now the feature is activated. I can still open the door from outside. However, from the inside, no matter what I do, I should not be able to open the door, and I cannot. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna slide over there to the right side and open this door and get out, because we haven't activated the feature here yet. So open this door, open the left side door from outside, and push the switch outwards to deactivate the feature. And now I should be able to open from outside, and I should also be able to open it from inside when the lock is in the unlock position. And yes, I can. Repeating the process for the right side door. Again, just push the switch inwards to activate the feature. I can open from outside and inside. No matter what I do, I should not be able to open the door, and I cannot. So what am I gonna do? You already know it. I'm gonna slide over there and open that door. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature separately on both the doors. You don't want the child to get out of the seat, slide onto the other side, and open this other door accidentally and get out and cause trouble. So let's open the right side door and push the switch outwards to deactivate the child lock feature. And now on the inside, when it's in the unlock position, I should be able to open the door, and yes, I can, and that's about it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.